Hello guys, and welcome to the first long video of the channel. Today I want to show you all the Nerf guns that I have, which are right here. This is my tiny Nerf pistol. I have a giant electric gun and another electric blaster. So today I wanted to review my Nerf guns. So let's get into it with the first one, which is the tiniest. So you have 4 darts at the front and a lever, which when you pull back, you shoot and it fires a dart. So you just do the same thing, fires again. Yeah, so, and for reloading it, you just pick up the darts like that. So, and you have the gun right here, and you simply just put him back in place. Now, we get on with this bad boy. So, this is not a part of the gun, but I just added it because it makes it look cooler. And this has 2 mags. So you put one in here and one on the other side. And you have this. Voila. I don't have any darts loaded into the mags since I didn't want to lose them. But you push this button down here, charges up the battery, and you shoot. And it's pretty cool since you can aim with the sight. And then we finally have this one, which is my first Nerf gun. Well, I do have another one, but it's somewhere in my room and I don't know where. You have the Mac, simply just put it in, and you have this. So yeah, again, just press the button, charges up the battery, pull the trigger, and it shoots. And you just pick up the darts and reload. So that's it from me today. Comment for more video ideas, and bye.